Hello everyone, welcome back to Prashika's World. I thought of sharing this information with all of you. In this situation, it is better to stay at home, but still, there are few items that are not available online which makes us travel. But this option in Swiggy really will help us to do anything like order items from a local store that does not have a delivery or an online option. If you want to send documents or some food to someone, you can definitely try this option. So once you click on the genie option here, you can see pick up or drop any item, and you can also see find a store. So find a store, you can order medicines, you can order anything from any of the local stores. So when you click on the option, it actually tells you the rate. So within the first 2 kilometers, it is going to be 29 rupees only, the delivery charges. And every additional kilometer you have to pay rupees 15 per kilometer. Click on the select a store, you will get a lot of options. You can select one of those or even set location of your store, or you can even search for the store in the search. So here you can put the pharmacy's name and it gives you all the results. You can select the one that you need as per the location. Now I'm showing you if you want to order something from a supermarket or any local store, you can try to add details of the store and select the right store based on the location. And finally confirm that this is the location of the store. You can also save the store details for further use. Now once you have selected the store, you can start adding the list of items that you would require. Like you can add the type of rice you need and whether you need it as a 1 kg packet or a 5 kg packet, and ensure you put the quantity on the right side. You can also add in the oil, the type of oil you would require, and mention the brand name, what is a liter and how many packets do you need. Also, you can click on the camera option and take a quick click of the item if you have it at home, or select a picture from your gallery. Once that is done, you can proceed to selecting your delivery address and placing the order. You will have to pay the delivery charges right away, and only then the delivery executive would be assigned for your order. So let me show you an example here. I have selected Grace. I have put Hit Anti-Roach Gel, clicked on the gallery, and this is where I can select the picture of the product. And here I've written whole wheat bread. I've added 2 quantities. I've written ragi biscuit. I have put the brand name. I have put the quantity as 2. I have selected carrot, and I'm putting the quantity again, which is 1/4 kg. And then I'm selecting Tide 1 kg, garbage bag, and mentioning what would be the size, whether it will be small, medium or large, and I've put the quantity to be 2. Then I've put Pani Puri packet. This is where I click on the gallery and I get the picture added. Again, these are pictures taken from internet. Let me show you how do you use the cameras. Just click on the camera, picture of it, and upload. Again, if you want to add one more picture, click on the plus option. Again, take a picture and click on OK, and it gets uploaded. And that's it. Simple, right? I have completed, I just paid 29 rupees and placed the order. In my case, the store was just 2 kilometers away. And once that is done, the order gets confirmed, and when you click on the view details, you can see what are the products you've already selected. You can track order here, and later your partner will be assigned who would get to the store and pick up things for you. Now in this section, the delivery partner has taken pictures of the product which you need to review and confirm. So if you confirm here, you will have to pay for the product. So that's a good feature. If you think it is incorrect, you can definitely call the delivery agent and tell him to change the product. And wherever the product is not available, they will just mention it as out of stock, and this is where the bill gets generated. I need to pay 314, and once I've paid, the billing will progress where the delivery boy would make the payment to the store. Once that is done, this will move to order is out for delivery. And I got the products delivered to my home. And then the request gets closed in Swiggy. It's very simple. Do give it a try and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Until my next video, stay safe and stay healthy, my friend.